guys. This morning we are off to Trident Motosport to go talk to Jono. Who's calling me?
Are you still in bed?
No, we're about to head to Trident Motosport for our next Race Wars radio vlog.
Oh, yeah. The toolbox doesn't fit in my mate's car, so I'm just going to see if we can borrow your HOELUX.
The HOELUX is up on stilts at the moment. I'm trying to get this yellow off it, so all the suspension's taken out.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Yeah, he said today he's going to finish the other car, and then as soon as that's done, he can either start on that same guy's other car, or he can start on the HOELUX. He said he'd rather do the HOELUX first. So as soon as I get the sticker off, it's straight to Brendan to do the paneling, and then straight to Motul after that to get the protective paint on, and then straight to Race Wars. Get a turbo straight in.
Trident, right?
Trident, yeah, they've got some cool stuff in their workshop. They were participants in last year's Race Wars. They also had some cars come down in August for our test run of the hill sprint. So you'll hear more from them
shortly.
Now? Now.
A clap as well, first before you start. Pretty bad.
We'll stop that there, mate. All right, well, that's pretty much Trident in a nutshell. All right, cheers, guys. Thanks.
This is the ding from when we had the testing in Race Wars in August. Insert clip there.
Do we have the clip?
So we've wrapped up the interview. Jackie's just inside now getting some cinematics to lay over the video. And from here I think we're going to their other workshop. This is their hobby workshop, and then there's the proper workshop where they do oil and gas and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna head there after that.
3-speed?
Yeah.
So Trident Australia itself is oil and gas based, WA owned, started by Nick, and you know, fluid systems and components for the hydraulic oil industry. So yeah, that keeps us pretty busy.
It's our morning done with Trident. We just had the tour through their fluid systems and components workshop. Wow, we're all packing up.
Yeah, sorted. Pretty cool workshop.
Yeah, it's really interesting. Heaps of cool stuff. Now what are we doing?
Getting the HOELUX back on the road.
Now it's time to get the HOELUX back on the road. Get illegal again. Time to just get greasy, have some beers, celebrate crate day.
Get to it.
So I just found cables. I'm like, oh God, where do they go? Just like that. They go nowhere. Time to cut them off. Next job is the tray only has 2 bolts holding it together. One on this side, one on that side. There should be 4. I found some spare bolts in one of my spare parts drawers. So I'm gonna see if some of these fit, because there should be 2 more bolts on these rear chassis holes. So I'm gonna figure it out. I've also brought spare rubbers to gap it out a bit. So that's the next job. Like, I'm planning on them just checking the major things. If they find a whole lot of other shit that's like not doable without spending 5 grand, this thing's becoming a track car.
Going Harley on this shit.
Yep.
Quick little update. Rear is done, about to put the wheels back on, drop the back so we can start aligning the front suspension, bring that back up. Hopefully it clears. Oh yuck! Oh no! Oh yuck!
The yellow sticker, just go track car.
Yeah. Dad, I ain't driving around like this getting laughed at. So we're just gonna take it around the block now just to get the suspension seated. What you do is you put it in first and you find the rhythm. Sound like this. Here he is! How long has it been since you've been in the vlog?
It's been a while.
It's been a while. Hey man.
You're very dirty.
Yes, oh yeah, I didn't touch it with my hands.
So update. HOELUX. We're gonna go to Paul Walker. Chay's in the shower, getting ready because he's a dirty slut. Don't ask. He's also extremely drunk. But as a slow driver, gonna take the Subi out.